Hey! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can find all text correction options available on this device. Firstly, open Settings. In them, you need to scroll all the way down and choose System. Now click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, you need to click on Text Correction over here, and as you can see, all typing features, misclick, are over here. In order to switch on or off one of them, you need to click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!